Hello everyone! Kind of a long time no see. I have been a little bit busy because school just started, so it's not going to be as easy to record videos. Today I'm going to be doing a 5-minute challenge to do my makeup, so that means pretty much I only have 5 minutes to do my makeup. And I have all of it laid out so that I can go ahead and jump right into it right away. And I'm going to insert a timer somewhere in the corner of this video so that you guys know that I'm not going to be cheating, and then I'm also going to be setting a timer on my phone so that I know how long I've been going. So I pretty much just have like the basic things that I use every day laid out over here. I'm just going to be doing as much as I can. I don't really know how much I'll get done, but we will see. And I'm a little bit worried because I am not good with time management and rushing. So yeah, so I'm gonna set my alarm right here, and let me just make sure everything is in place. Okay, I'm so nervous. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of me, and be sure to leave comments of like what you want me to do, because I'm super duper open to what you guys want. And let's get right into it. Okay, so starting off with foundation. Oh my god, I'm already messing up. Okay. I feel like I'm moving so slow. Oh my god. Oh my god, I should have tied my hair back. What am I thinking? Now it's gonna be all up in my face. Okay, just slather it on. Oh my god. I'm using the I'm using the LA Girl foundation. That's how you know I've been using the Estee Lauder too much, because that's literally the only foundation that I use on a daily basis. Okay, now I'm taking my Eco Tools sponge and beating the hell out of my face. Okay. Oh my god, I feel so nervous. What if I look like a mess after this? I mean, I still look like a mess after an hour of beating my face, so we'll see how I look after just 5 minutes. Okay, that is about as good as it's gonna get. Okay, now I'm gonna do, oh my god, I think I should do concealer or not. No, we're not gonna do concealer, it's gonna take too long. I'm just gonna pound the foundation underneath my eyes to cover it up a little bit, and then now I'm gonna powder my face. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think the powder just got in my eye. Okay, I'm just gonna powder everywhere. Oh my god, I'm gonna close my eyes because it is going everywhere. Like, you guys would not believe. Girl, who is blowing up my phone? I only have like 2 minutes left. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just got powder all up in my eye. Feels good. Okay. Yeah, okay. What's next? Eyebrows. Okay, I need to do my eyebrows. Okay. Good, this time I used a brush or a pencil, because if I use my pomade, it's gonna take too long. Girl, this is a mess. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is a mess. Okay, next. How much longer? 1:30? What am I gonna do this time? Okay, I'm gonna brush on some eyebrow gel. Not like it's gonna make a difference, but you know, we're gonna put it on anyways. Okay, now I'm gonna put on lipstick. Oh my god, you can't take off the lipstick cap. Okay. Girl. Okay. Okay. How much time? Okay, now we're gonna add some contour. Okay. Oh my god, I freaking forgot to bring mascara. I'm so dead. Okay, what else did I bring? Eyeshadow. 20 seconds, okay. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna take a color. We're just gonna take colors and okay. This is an interesting eye look. This is a very natural look that I'm going for right now. No! Okay. Okay. So guys, my 5 minutes is up and it went by a lot faster than I thought it was gonna go. This is my look. Pretty much, I don't look very different from what I look like in the beginning. I mean, I'll zoom you guys in so you guys can get how bad this is. So this is the finished look. As you can see, wow, this contour looks really good. This is my eye look. And also my eyebrows. I'm sure you guys love my eyebrows. And wow. So pretty much I got on foundation. You know what I'm kind of like upset about? My foundation actually doesn't look bad. And the area under my eye actually isn't caking as bad as it usually does. What? My eyebrows could use a little work. So this is what my eye look is looking like. It's kind of some issues right here. Also, what is this? So pretty much that is the end of this 5-minute makeup challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried my best, but 5 minutes goes by super quick when you're doing your makeup, but I'm pretty much like happy with how it turned out because it's not terrible. And now if I know that if I'm ever late for school, I can at least lather on some foundation and then put on some lipstick and bad eyebrows. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!